Yeah, Terry, the Department of Health says hospitals across the state are seeing 20 times the hospitalization rate right now compared to this time last year. Some hospitals are diverting patients to other hospitals and delaying elective surgeries. So Dr. Bruce Vanderhoff with the Department of Health saying that we are still in the beginning to declaw this COVID, and eventually we can live with this virus like the flu as long as everyone gets vaccinated, because he says at the end of the day it is all about immunity. But right now hospitals, especially in the rural areas, are feeling the pain, trending in the wrong direction, and as cases continue to grow, hospitals are running out of space.
There is an overall feeling of sadness, physical and emotional fatigue, and frank frustration. To the point Dr. Vanderhoff made before, the vast majority of people in the hospital with COVID are those who are not vaccinated.
Dr. Joseph Castaldo with Ohio Health also mentioned that masking is not perfect, but again, they do help prevent the spread when someone coughs or sneezes. I also asked our health leaders about Mayor Ginther's mask order, and Dr. Castaldo says it's all about protecting hospital capacity and giving the appropriate care for COVID and non-COVID patients. So he is in full favor of the mayor's new order. So we'll keep you posted on what happens next. On your side here in the studio, Jackie Orozco, ABC6 News.
Mayor Ginther says nothing about the mask order will be surprising or unfamiliar.
But he hammers home the point that everyone needs to step up by wearing a mask and getting vaccinated. We have team coverage for you tonight. Tom Bosco looking into the governor's thoughts on possible mandates. And we'll begin with Luann Stoya, who joins us live from downtown Columbus with more on the mayor's executive order. Luann?
The news conference just wrapped up here at the health department less than an hour ago. Mayor Andrew Ginther tells us healthcare workers are at their breaking point. Doctors say hospitals have been packed. They said that the cases have increased sixfold since the beginning of August.
We have to do more. It's not enough for us to thank our public health and healthcare workers, to put out hashtags and attaboys. We need to get vaccinated and we need to wear our masks. That's how we show support.
The mayor says the indoor mask mandate will keep schools open, the economy open, and make sure healthcare workers are not overwhelmed. Right now, only about 53% of people in Franklin County are vaccinated. Health leaders say people need to get vaccines and mask up. The health commissioner says there will be enforcement.
It'll be complaint driven. So as we get complaints that come into 311, we will follow up with those complaints. There'll be a penalty. First there'll be a warning, then there'll be a $500 fine, and then there'll be a $1,000 fine for the third offense.
And the mayor tells me he plans to sign that executive order for the mask mandate on Friday. City Council then is expected to take legislative action on Monday. We can tell you the mayor says he is preparing for legal challenges. For now, on your side, we're live at the health department. Luann Stoya, ABC6 News.